question is the problem of the day. Problem number 2415, reverse odd levels of binary trees. So the question states that given the root of a perfect binary tree, reverse the node values at each odd level. Note this odd level of the tree. For example, suppose the node values at level 3 are this, then it should become this. That is the total reverse of this. Okay, reverse of this becomes this. Okay, and we have to return the root of the reverse new tree. A binary tree is perfect if all parent nodes have two children and all leaves are on the same level. Like this, every node will have two childs only, and the leaf nodes will be at the same level. Not like this. That 13 has 13 would not have a child node at all. Okay, so suppose this is the example. So this is the level number 0. So 0 is even. So we do not have to reverse this. This is the level number 1. So we have to reverse the nodes of this level. So 3, 5 becomes 5 and 3. Okay, like this. This is level number 2, which is even. So do not reverse these nodes. Okay, this is the basic question. So the basic approach for this is that this is very easy. Like, let me just move this. No need of this. So we simply take what is the intuition that we would simply traverse the tree in the level order manner using a queue that I have made here, queue of nodes. We would traverse it in the level order manner like 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and we would maintain a level variable which would be storing the current level which we are at. Okay. So initially we would be at the root node which is at level 0. So the level would be 0. And now what we do, we just push the root into the queue, and what is the intuition is that when we are starting, we are given in the question that we have to reverse the odd levels. So if we have to reverse these two values, then I would have to be standing at this point, which is an level number 0. So basically, what I'm saying is that in order to reverse the nodes at level 1, we have to be standing at level number 0, which is even. So what is the intuition that is that if we are standing at level number 0, I simply store all it. If I am at level number and at an odd level number, then I simply store all the values on that level in an vector and simply reverse it. And then what I would do is that I would push that vector into the level order traversal vector. Okay. So let me show you. This is the vector of int known as values. This would be simply storing the level order traversal of the tree. This is Q for level order traversal. Level, I already told you. So initially we push the root into the tree, into the queue, and while the queue is not empty, we just simply start to traverse. So I hope you all know the level order traversal. We simply take out the size of the queue, which will be currently 1, as only one node is present at that level. And we would take a temporary vector temp and no need of this vector. Let me just and now what we will do is we will simply traverse from 0 to s, which would be the number of nodes on that level. Okay, so we would take the node from the queue out and pop it. So we would be having 2 at this point, and we would push that node into the temporary vector. No need of this also. No, these all are needed. Wait a second. This is needed. This is also needed. Okay. So basically, this vector would do that this vector would store the values in the level order traversal. Like 2, 2 is the integer value in that node will be stored. But this no vector will be storing the nodes in the level order traversal. Like 2 as a node. Okay. Like you can see here this tree node asterisk type. So continuing, what we would do that we push that current value in the value vector and we push that current node into the node vector. Okay. So now what we have to do is that if a left child exists for that node, we push that into the queue, and if the right child exists for that node, we push the right child into the queue. And now what we check is that after this loop is over, that we check is that if the level was even, yeah, if the level was odd, this checks that the level was odd. What we have to do, we have to simply reverse the node values. What we will do, we will simply reverse the vector temp which was storing the values like 3 comma 5. It would be storing 3 comma 5 for this level number 1. Would simply reverse it, it would become 5 comma 3, and we would push it into the values vector which was initially storing all the total level order traversal values of the tree. And simply if you would push the, this is not in reverse manner. This would store the nodes in the level order traversal but not reversed. Only the values vector is reversed over here. So like what is happening over here, I will tell you that uh, like the values vector, what would the values vector store after this whole while part has been executed? Values vector would store 2 in the first row, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 3 in the second row, and 8, 13, 21, 34 in the third row. Okay, so only the odd level values are reversed, but the tree vector would store simply this original level of traversal like 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So now basically what we have to do, we have the initial level order traversal and we have the reverse values like these values. So we just traverse this initial vector, we just traverse the tree vector, and for every node, this is the node in this original manner. Like for every node, we just assign its value to the value at ij. Like 2's value would be 2, but 3's value would be 5. It would become 5, and 5 value would become 3, and for even number or even level it would remain the same. As you can see, we would return the root. Okay, that's it. uh, I hope it's a very easy question from, and I hope that you people will understand it, and please like the video. Thank you.